Am praying this reaches this young man's parents. Tonight as I was leaving football practice with my 3 kiddos, my 4-year-old so tired he started crying and acting a fool as we were getting in the van. My 7-year-old daughter started crying because I told her we were having red potatoes as a side for dinner and clearly she wasn't a fan, so I threw my hands up and said forget it. McDonald's tonight. We go through the drive-thru order food. All 3 kids are now crying for one reason or the other. I go to pay. I left my purse at home. Velp now wanted to cry. I look at the young man with tears in my eyes just from being stressed and annoyed and say, "Hon, I am so sorry but I have to cancel that order. I left my purse at home when we went to football tonight." Without hesitation he takes out his wallet and swipes his card before I could even say we'll be right back. I was like, "Wait, no hon, it's okay, I will come back." Through then he replies, "No, it's totally fine, my pleasure." I snapped a quick picture and asked his name, to which he replied, "Wyatt, ma'am." I told him I would be right back with cash for him and he tried hard to talk me out of it. I just want his parents to know how kind and compassionate your son was tonight. He made this stressed out mama pause for a moment and realize this is exactly what we parents are trying to do, raise great humans. Well, Wyatt sir, you are an amazing human being. I went back and handed him cash and had to make him take it because he didn't want to take more than he had paid, but I wanted him to know that when you put good out in the world it comes back to you tenfold. Wyatt, do not let this world change your kind heart, young man, for it's people like you that will change this world for the better.